Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw Pibble. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Pibble, let's begin with the nose. So I'm going to make a little line across. Then we're just going to make a little line that's going to go down and up. Let's draw a little line down. Then let's make a little line that's going to come down and up. And another one's just going to go down and kind of curve up. Next, right here, let's draw a line that's going to go down. We're going to come around, back up, and then over to here, kind of like an oval shape. Then let's make a couple little dots here. We'll also make a little smiley face shape right there for the chin. Now, starting here, let's draw a little smiley face shape for the eye, and another little smiley face shape for the eye. And then let's make a couple little sad face shapes here for some wrinkles by the nose. Next, starting here, let's draw a line that's going to come up, and we're going to round it off to here. Then we're just going to bring this line down, and then back up to here. We're going to draw a little line that's going to come out, and then down to here. Same thing here, out, and then down. Then we'll just curve a little line down on each side for the inside of the ear. Next, starting here for the paws, let's just draw a line that's going to come out on each side. We're going to make 1, 2, and 3 little curves, and we're going to bring it up. Same thing here, 1, 2, and then 3 little curves and bring it up. We're going to bring this up to here and up to here. Next, for his belly, let's just draw a big line that's just going to come down and then up to here. Then for the leg, let's draw a little line that's going to curve in, and then one that's going to curve right in here. For the foot, we're going to go down and up with a curve. Same thing here, down and up with a little curve. Then we're going to do 1 and 2 lines that we're going to bring up. Same thing here, 1 and then 2 lines that we're going to bring up. Then, right at the bottom, we're going to make a little line that's going to curve down and up for the tail. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cute cartoon version of Pibble. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.